everyone, welcome to our Nan Hua drumming session. In our session, we will use a simple way to teach you how to play Chinese drum. Today I'm going to teach you our last class of initial. The first line is 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4左右走1 2 3 4 1 2. But I'm going to teach you part by part. The first part is 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. After 1 2 3 4, you have to raise your right hand up. Now, let's try it on a drum using the speed of 70. Ready? Let's try again. Ready? 5 6 7 8. Let's increase speed to 100. Ready? 5 6 7 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5 6 7 8. The second beat is 左右走1 2 3 4 1 2. After 左右走, you squat down and do the V shape. 1 2 3 4, you do the same thing. After 1 2, you squat down. Now, let's try it on a drum using the speed of 70. Ready? 5 6 7 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5 6 7 8. Now, let's increase speed to 100. Ready? 5 6 7 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5 6 7 8. Let's play the whole line using the speed of 70. Ready? 5 6 7 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5 6 7 8. Let's increase speed to 100. Ready? 5 6 7 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5 6 7 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 5, 7. Now let's play it on the drum using the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's increase speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's play both lines using the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's increase speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of our last class of initial. Take your time to practice so that you can able to know and play the beats. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.